Hello everyone, this is a new video by Flash Trade One where I'm showing one of the live account. I'm updating this account for the second time as of now. Previously I have updated this account one time, and in that video I've verified the first order ID, which is 2988933. First of all, let's go to the previous update of this account. This was the previous update of this account, during which it was January 12, 2021 during the last update, and here I verified the order ID of the account, so you can match the order ID that I've shown and the previous order ID, and you can verify that both of the accounts are same. Now, on previous update, the total profit on the account was 70,120. As of now, the profit on the account has been increased to 80,636.44. Also, here the withdrawal of the account is 58,000, but actual withdrawal of the account is 3,500. Let's verify that. 10k is the initial deposit of this account. This is the initial deposit of this account. After few days, yes, here you can see that minus 28,421 withdrawal was made. Again 26,421 were deposited. Again 26,421 was made or was removed, and again 28,421 was deposited. So this and this cut, this and this cut, making the base capital of the account 100k. Now again, after few days, $2,000 were removed from the account. So again, withdrawal of $2,000, and few days later, again 1,500 was removed from the account, making the actual withdrawal of the account 3,500. So this is the reason we shown the withdrawal here 3,500, and you also verified that why the withdrawal is $3,500 on the account. So as of now, the overall ROI of this account is 806%. Trading started on this account. Trading started on this account on 6th of April 2020. So on 6th of February, 10 months are going to be completed on trading this account, and in 10 months we made the ROI of 806% on this account. Here the trading is purely done with our support, demand and trend indicator. This is our support, demand and trend indicator, and here the trades are placed using the time frame M15, M30, H1, and we place the trade on this account on the basis of indication shown by these two indicators. Now the account, first of all, let's verify the statement of this account. But you can see that the total profit on the account is 80,636. Total trades placed on the account is 1,025,025, where 724 trades are in profit and 300 trades are in loss, making the real accuracy of the account 70.6, using average profit trades and average loss trade. One can find the risk reward and break even point of this account. Let me erase the, so it will be more visible. Yes, so during the previous update, $100,000 with 10,000 is the base capital of this account. Then account started on 6th of April. First order ID is 2988 933, which we have verified. Risk reward of the account is 1:0.97. As of now, the risk reward of the account has been increased to 1:0.98. We have find out that through the average profit and average loss trades. If you divide the average profit trades with average loss trades, then you will get the same calculation. Then the real accuracy of the account. In the statement, you can see that the real accuracy of the account is 70.6. Previous time it was 70.8. So our trading detrayed by 0.2%. Break even of this account is 50.3. Previous it was 50.7. So here, along with real accuracy, the break even accuracy is also decreased. So we are on the same stage as of previous, but every time we have to make the improvement in our trading and not to decrease it. Total trades 987. As of now, the total trades is 1025. Now the account that I am showing as of now is our live streaming account number 2. This is our 24/7 live streaming, which I am showing as of now. Let me refresh it so you can check it more easily. I'm increasing the resolution of the video, and you can see that the video is live as of now. It's live, and this is the live streaming account number 1 with deposit of $1,000. This is the account number 2 with deposit of $10,000. This is the account number 3 with deposit of 100K. Here just gold is traded, here just euro is traded, and here mix pairs are traded. So if one do have the capital of $1,000, then they can follow the account number 1. If one have the capital of 10,000, then they can follow the account number 2. And if they have one have the capital of 100,000, then they can follow the account number 3. In account number 1, the total profit is 76,798. In account 2, 80,636. In account 3, 109,258 is the total profit on the account. Now we'll verify that the account that I'm showing as of now, then account in the live streaming, both are same through the last order ID and the last profit made on the account. So you can see that, check this last order ID, which is 48971,301, and check here, it is same 48971,301. The last profit is $30 net. Here also you can see that it's $30 net profit. The trade was on sell Euro USD with 0.3 lot size. Sell Euro USD with 0.3 lot size. Price was 1.21445. So with this, you can verify that the live streaming account number 2 and the account that I'm showing now is both of them are same. Now whenever we place the trade on any of this account number 1, account number 2, or account number 3, and whenever we close that specific trade, then the notification on the Telegram will be sent containing all the information about that particular trade. So if you take the account number 2, this is the Telegram channel for the account number 2, which is t.me trade 02. This is for account number 2. For account number 1, it is t.me trade 01, and for account number 3, it is t.me trade 03. This is the order placed notification and this is the order closed notification. Now let's suppose that any trader who is following this Telegram channel, you opened the trade with this order open notification from Telegram in Euro USD. The order ID was this. It was sell order. The price at which the sell order was placed was 1.21445. It was placed at 30 lots. The time at which the trade was placed is 3:53. So with time one can verify that it is too late to place the trade or it is a perfect time to trade. If it is 3:53 order placed and if it is 3:54 and the price is same, then you can follow the trade. But if 3 hours already passed, then the time of the order placed, then you don't need to follow this trade. Take profit of the account was set as 1.21345 and stop loss was this. Now the same trade was closed on the account. So how one can know that the order is same? Then they can verify it through the order ID. This is the order ID and this is the order ID. This is the order closed. So simply one can understand that the order which was placed here, now it is being closed at price 1.21345 where TP has been done on the account. Profit of $30 net was made on the account and time at which it is closed is at 6:32 and account balance is this. So with this one can verify and one can directly copy the trades from Telegram into their own account. If one do not have time to copy the trades, then they can join our mirror trading service and attach the same strategy in their own account. Now in the last one, which was the order closed where $34 profit was made, during that time the account balance was 87,136.44. So I will move in trades and you can see that the balance of the account is 87,136.44, same as whatever shown in Telegram, 87,136.44. This is the balance of the account. So this is how you can follow the trades of Telegram into their own account and you can always watch the account through live streaming and even you can copy the trades of live streaming into your own account. If you have any query regarding how to be part of this Telegram channel or how to copy the trades or how to join our mirror trading service, then do ask our executive, they will guide you. We'll meet in the next video. Until that, goodbye, take care and have happy trading, and hope this video was useful to you and you can also get the same kind of profit as this account is making very easily.